And time for do-it-yourself home automation. This is a look at my Truper shovel. So this is a really great big snow shovel or shovel for working in your garden, or in my case, working in a chicken coop. Be a great shovel also for mucking out a horse stall or any situation where you want to be lifting a large amount of material with a super solid, super well-built wood and steel construction. So you can see here I'm cleaning out my chicken shed, and I can get a big scoop here, quite a lot of material that I'm able to lift at once with the shovel. And because it is this steel bonded into, it's tempered steel, bonded into the solid wood handle. Got a super secure handle at the top here, so I can get a lot of leverage under that, all bolted together. Really great construction. I can lift up a ton of material all in one scoop. Again, whether I'm shoveling, in this case, chicken litter, or if I was, again, mucking out a horse stall or using this as it's designed for snow. So I think this is a really great, really solidly built shovel. It was recommended to me by multiple people who keep chickens, and it's, I think, perfect for this kind of application. So really love the Truper shovel. Use it really for anything where you're wanting to lift a large amount of material with a super strong, super sturdy, well-built design. I leave mine outside all the time. It's barely kind of aged or weathered at all in the last 6 months. So really satisfied with this. Works really great for me.